Hello everyone, welcome back with Revit basic tutorials how to scale objects. Okay, in here I will use a sample architecture projects, and you can go to level 1, so you can click in here. Now if you want to change scales in these objects, you can go to left bottom, so you can click at these icons, and like I will set into 1 and 10, so it will be more small for scale. You also can change again like into 1/500, it will be more bigger. So we need equal these dimension scales with drawings. You can set into 100. This is for equal dimension for these drawings. You also can set for the line thickness. You can see this very bold in these lines. So you can hide this thickness by clicking at these points. It will be automatically hide the thickness lines. Okay, that's it, how to scale in Revit. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.